Yeah, so welcome back to another video. We're exploring the Noke Hotel today. Let's see if we can find a way in. Do you know what, it looks like there's going to be security in there.
In there?
Yeah.
Well, let's stop and hop in there.
Well active. Our hotel is under refurbishment, but it's not under refurbishment. It's abandoned. Apparently it's under refurbishment. I don't think it is though. No work going on here. Just your local friendly trespassers. Nothing to worry about. Try calling the duty manager, he ain't answering.
No, it's a reflection.
Oh yeah,
I saw that when we
I thought someone was here, mate.
So,
Let's do it. Whoa! Oh, I found another way in. Do that and go through the hole. Yeah, mate, cheers. Well, I got stuck. I just found an open window, but I'm not really skinny enough to get in. Don't know if they're going to be. Yeah, I had the same on that window as well, skinny.
fuck it, lift it up that second one. Keep it up and down, that'll throw it down anyway.
I bet they're all open. It is tight. People done what?
Oh yeah, broken.
Someone's broken in. Oh dear.
Got someone up there as well.
Oh yeah, I see that. Why does someone need to smash it?
Is that a sensor up there?
Yeah, mate.
Yeah, mate.
Doorbell.
It's a doorbell, isn't it? It's a cheap man sensor. Don't think they could afford a proper one.
You reckon there ain't enough? That top one?
Nah.
Oh, there it is.
Someone's already broken this, by the looks of it. No way in.
No way in.
No way in. Hey?
Office fencing, I think.
No way in. No way in on that one. That's quite cool.
Loose. Got a lug in it.
Huh?
See it there. You can probably get it out, can't we?
I'll lift it up, ain't you? I don't know if it would.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We'll get in the courtyard bit. Yeah, this is in the courtyard.
Like, these fences barely hold my weight.
Yeah, it's the middle bit, isn't it?
They're just cheap Harris fences, aren't they?
Press those on. Right.
Yeah, don't go that way.
all connected.
Door's open, bruv. As if they've hardly locked it. Oh no, not really.
Show it behind that.
It was, yeah.
Pull it.
Leave it how you found it, innit? Like this.
Yeah, put that bit in there though.
Wash my fingers.
Good, yeah.
That's fucking ridiculous.
Right, I'll get some nice photos then.
I'm going to the Health and Leisure Club first.
Yeah. Where's that one?
Here. What have we got in here then? Treatment room 1. Fuck all. JJ, you don't need to go in the ladies' changing room.
I've already been in there.
Fuck's sake.
It's a joke.
I like that light. So it looks like they're using this part of the building as storage for now. Yeah. It's literally just being used for storage. Maybe they are actually renovating it then. Oh, these bins. Oh wow, look. The whole swimming pool filled up with mattresses. That's mad. The whole swimming pool filled up with mattresses. Do you want to go bouncing?
I'm actually tempted.
Huh?
I'm tempted.
What are these? Like mini fridges, yeah.
They are in there.
Yeah, we've got mini fridges.
That's sick.
Wicked. Fuck you hell. Oh!
Oh, basically.
I think got to do another one, mate.
Yeah. Alright then. Fuck my torch. Backflip time.
He thought you were security then. So you know you said fuck your torch
Where's it gone?
all the way down the gap.
No, it ain't.
It has.
It's there.
They got it.
Oh, that was just a warm up, mate. Alright, we're going for it now. No, I'm not. What?
Have a skinny cat. Bosh. And then.
Are you good at that? It's been years.
Yeah.
I can't do that. These fucking... These are worse for you, about. I swear to God.
What, the mattresses?
I'm fucking knackered.
But we've had our fun. Let's keep exploring. Check out the steam room. That's quite a nifty steam room, to be fair. I've not seen one like that.
Nah, the seats are weird, aren't they?
Yeah.
Different. Cheers, mate. I mean, what were these?
Bins. Were they? Bedside tables.
That's a Callaway, that one. That's a fucking good one, that.
Look, all the towels and that stuffed up next to the urinals. If they're actually going to reopen this place. If there's a ping pong ball, there's got to be a table somewhere.
Oh,
What's he got?
Weed. Found the weed.
Bag of weed. Oh, all the golf clubs.
That wasn't that a minute ago. Come on.
Oh yeah.
Plug them back from.
How weird, there's loads of different stuff here. Why is there all personal belongings in a hotel?
Because I think some of these are the workers.
Nah.
You think?
Or they just got left.
No, I don't know. It's got to be an owner or something. Because you wouldn't have it framed.
If you were just here for the fucking
What's
weed.
that?
Solarium. Fuck all room, innit?
Still got a little bit of a gym left.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, we got boxing gloves. You go and flip the lights. Yeah.
You know what?
I reckon we get this on. Oh, why is it so loud?
We're gonna have a fucking workout.
Oh,
Loud, mate.
yeah. Oh, that one.
Down.
Huh? Look at this cut, look. Huh? Whoa! Just got snapped to the right. Right little workout. Fucking hell. Oi, oi. Right, enough of that. Let's turn that down a bit. This is an abandoned hotel that we're in right now. We just got the speakers working.
Can we run around and get photos? I want to go live. It's fucking amazing.
But yeah, that's where we are today. Place is massive, we've got loads to look at.
I reckon this way first, because I feel like that's the main way. And that's going to have places going off.
I reckon this is the restaurant and bedrooms way.
Yeah, so do I. That's really fucking hell. They're just all dunked in there.
I don't understand why there's so many mattresses and stuff. And they're still in the rooms. Boy, it stinks in there. Wow, look at all the TVs. Oh, there's a bike here as well.
Oh, it's electric as well.
Is it?
Yeah.
Ran a disabled friend with us today, got him in. Can't miss once-bustling, can he, eh? Just because he's disabled, don't mean he can't trespass.
I reckon there's someone here, you know.
I think there is. I'm going upstairs.
Oh, here, you've got the safe. She's brimmed. Yeah.
They're the cameras.
Oh yeah, look. Brand new Samsung tablet there for you. Galaxy Tab A8 or something. All sorts of stuff. Yeah. What, here?
Yeah, wow, it's up there, you can hear it.
Fuck off.
No, they're not outside. No, they're not there.
Yeah, there is, yeah, there is.
Oh, he's at the window.
He's inside, he's inside.
Let's go in his car.
Shh. No, shh. Place is mad. He's literally just sat there looking at TikTok.
Yeah, he's not. We don't even know we're in. Let's go up anyway.
I wonder where he was then when we was trying to get in.
I know this door ain't open, right?
Wow, look at that.
Stained glass there.
The boardroom's right. Yeah. Who's right? Better made it.
Wow. That's fucking mad. Now check that out in there, mate. Look at that. That's a bit rickety.
Sick. Looks like storage on there, right? Asylum.
Yeah, all sorts of things.
Behind that.
Well off.
Oh, look at it. Man.
Oh shit. I reckon they're sleeping in here. Actually, no, this is probably just staff accommodation.
Yeah, I think it is. Nah, because they wouldn't have left it all on there. They would have took the mattresses down with all the rest. I reckon someone's still. Oh yeah, they've still got a mini fridge. Mini fridge.
Yeah, but it's all empty.
What?
It's all empty. Look how old that food is.
You reckon, yeah?
Yeah. Surely no one's living like that. The state of it.
Yeah, I think you're right.
There ain't no one living in here. They used to. I can smell it on them.
Yeah.
Smells horrible. I do think he's below us right now, though.
What's that?
I think he's below us right now.
Really?
Yeah.
That's alright. You can stay below. What was the way we come? This way.
That's locked. Weird the way that's all locked in there. Let's see what else we can find.
Yeah, but they're not keys though.
Card.
They're key fobs. Cards.
So, would that be able to do that?
Oh!
How?
Wow! You made me jump. You alright?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, good mate, good. We're just exploring.
Are you just how can you come from?
We came from this way, I'll show you.
This side.
Oh, someone here. Hello, mate.
Yeah.
You think you're here?
The door was open, up there.
This side. Where?
Not this one, up there.
Up
you,
there?
you know the stairs?
Yeah.
The door was open.
No, okay.
What are you doing here anyway? You?
No, I'm just going out.
Oh, you security, are you? Or?
No, I'm not security.
Oh, you're not security?
No, I'm just like doing some refurbishment.
Oh, okay.
You know-
So it's getting refurbished, is it, yeah?
Yeah, it's like it's like refurbished. Maybe it will complete in like 1 to 2 months.
Oh, okay. Lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you for letting me know.
Yeah. Are you leaving out or are you going inside?
No, we're leaving now, we're leaving. But yeah. You made me jump, mate. I didn't think there was anyone in there.
I got prepared. One side, who's struggling?
Yeah. I didn't know it was you in there, but yeah, fair enough, mate. Cool. Take care, mate. Cheers.
How did you come from the back side?
Yeah, up the stairs, round the back.
Still from the back?
The door was open.
Which door? Like any idea like a...
There's
Like
the metal stairs in the courtyard.
Yeah.
Metal stairs.
Yeah.
Door was open
So you came from this side?
from the other side.
No, like I see.
We can show you if you want.
No, I just got some like from this side and the other side.
That side.
Well, like it's on at this side.
Yeah, that side. Yeah, the courtyard, the stairs.
Okay, that's fine. Your camera on, no?
Yeah, it's for the you know the newspapers.
For the newspaper.
Newspapers, yeah. So we go in, record, see what's going on. So it's getting refurbished because online it said something about getting demolished. So it's not getting demolished now.
I think so. They because I think so. They will be demolished or they will be refurbished something.
Oh, okay.
Because
So
they are planning something to do.
okay.
No, maybe yeah. They are planning something like maybe some other project.
Oh,
Something
okay.
Like that, yeah, that's right.
Yeah. Fair enough. All right then, mate. Well, yeah, we'll get off, but take care.
Cheers, mate.
This way. I know. Go that way. Well, that's the end of that explore. I weren't going to stay in there. He don't speak a word of English either. We've pretty much done the best bits, haven't we?
Yeah.
There's not much else to see. Yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you click that button.